Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Focus on the step in front of you, not the whole staircase. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Stay positive, work hard, make it happen. Don't watch the clock, do what it does, keep going. Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning to dance in the rain. Happiness is not by chance, but by choice. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadow will fall behind you. Success does not come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be value. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. You are stronger than you think. Don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Work hard in silence. Let your success make the noise. Everything you have ever wanted is on the other side of fear. Don't count the days. Make the days count. Start each day with a positive thought and a grateful heart. If you want something you have never had, you must be willing to do something you have never done. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. You don't have to control your thoughts. You just have to stop letting them control you. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Great things take time. Be patient. Strength does not come from what you can do. It comes from overcoming the things you once thought you could not. Every morning you have two choices. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. Make each day your masterpiece.